Welcome to the Indent to PO Process Explained video, a complete guide to the ERP purchase cycle. Have you ever wondered how the complete process of purchasing goods in a company works? In this video, we will explain the Indent to Purchase Order, or PO process in a simple way. This process is commonly used in various enterprise resource planning, or ERP, systems like SAP, Oracle ERP, and Tally Prime. We will cover 8 steps in this video: Indent or purchase requisition, RFQ or request for quotation, quotation comparison, vendor finalization, purchase order creation, material receipt, invoice verification and payment, and finally, material consumption. What is an indent or purchase requisition? When a department requires material or a service, they first raise an indent. For example, a site engineer needing 100 bags of cement would raise an indent in the ERP, mentioning the quantity, required date, and purpose. After the indent is raised, it enters an approval workflow. For instance, it might go from the site engineer to the project manager for approval, and then to the purchase head. Once approved, the indent reaches the purchase team. Next is the request for quotation, or RFQ. The purchase team obtains quotations from various vendors. For example, vendor A quotes 350 rupees per bag, vendor B quotes 340 rupees per bag, and vendor C quotes 355 rupees per bag. Quotation comparison involves preparing a comparative statement, or CS, in the ERP, comparing the rate, delivery time, and terms of all vendors. Vendor finalization is based on cost, quality, and delivery commitment, with the best vendor selected. Once the vendor is finalized, a purchase order, or PO, is created. The PO includes the vendor name, item details, quantity, rate, GST, delivery schedule, and payment terms. The material receipt phase begins when the vendor delivers the material, and the store department creates a goods receipt note, or GRN. Following this, the vendor submits an invoice. The accounts team verifies the PO, GRN, and invoice, and then processes the payment. Material consumption refers to issuing available material from the store for a project, work order, activity, or department, and recording its usage. If 100 bags of cement were received and 30 bags were used for slab casting, the storekeeper records this. The ERP will now show 70 bags in balance stock. ERP benefits include complete purchase tracking, approval workflow automation, budget control, vendor performance monitoring, purchase transparency, and a faster procurement process. This video is useful for ERP users, purchase executives, procurement teams, store managers, project managers, and ERP consultants.